Okay, so I'm just showing you this little short for YouTube. I've drawn up the front draw hook for the loco. You can see there it's really long. The back part of it's going to be threaded, then there's going to be a load of bumper washers. I'll put that centre line in there just so when I can line it up with the other part of the frame drawing. It's that long because if you look at this, if I zoom out and then zoom back in again, this is the top view of the front drag box, and it's going to go from that line there all the way through to there, and then there's the bumpers on the back, and it pivots between these two faces here, so you can see why it's so long. And what it does, if I zoom out, zoom back in over here, you can see the pink lines of the hook. So it's a lot of lines, I know it's quite confusing, but I know what I'm staring at, which is the main thing. And then there's the back of the hook there, so it comes pretty much all the way up to the smoke box. It's really long, but there's bumpers on the back of it here. We'll go in behind that plate there. That plate's kind of conical, which I haven't drawn on here because it's obviously in 2D. There's the front drag box, all of that up there, all of this here, and then that's the what the pony truck presses against, that's a casting that goes in there. And there'll be an oil feed into it, so it gives a film of oil along this bit here. So if I just zoom out a bit more, just show you a bit more. Smoke box, saddle, the whole of that part there. Obviously smoke box wrapper there that I've drawn in. Now if I just do this, you can see that there, the cab that I've drawn for this, that so far, that's a Dick Stockings cab. That doesn't now fit on these frames because the distance between there and there is different. Plus as well, you can see there's a step down I was talking to you about on the frames. And if I zoom out and then zoom back in, this is the Dick Stockings frames version, and the frames from here would step down to that line there, and that would be your cab floor essentially. Ours doesn't have that. It's completely changed, so there we are. If you look over here, there's the rear drag box from the back, foot plate support piece. Look at it, there's the side on. There's side on. Excuse the tapping, that's me, one of the dogs trying to get my attention because I'm trying to film for you guys. So that's the brake pull beam, the brake actuator for the steam brake. That's the drag box there, and if I zoom out again and zoom back in over here, that's it from looking at it from the top. So there you go, little snippet, little short video, proper update coming very soon.